I'm Stephanie Scellato of Scellato Designs, and today I'm going to teach you a little bit about Ikebana, which is an ancient Japanese floral design method that mainly focuses on minimalism. There are three main parts to Ikebana. There is the heaven, there is the human, and then there is the earth. And all three tie in to make a beautiful, tranquil arrangement. So I'm going to show you the items that you need for our class today. Clippers, scissors, some flowers, greenery. You might even clip them out of your yard. You don't need a whole lot. I probably have more here than I need. Wet floral foam. And I actually like to use moss or rocks to kind of cover up my mechanics. And you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. So I'm going to start with my wet foam floral pieces. I've actually soaked them in water already. You just let them float in your water and let it absorb for about 4 minutes. And I got this just at the regular Michael's craft store. So I'm going to just place them in my pieces. Got one more here. And we're ready to go. So we're going to start off with a representation of heaven by using our tall pieces. I really like to offset to one side, and we'll create a nice balance. So for the greenery in this part, giving it some architectural interest, I used horsetail. I used to actually play with this when I was little in the garden. The heaven part, just simple basic lines. We're going to do the human part. So I picked a rose. I connect with roses. I love the smell, I love the texture, I love the colors, and so I picked this beautiful Miyuki rose. It's gorgeous. It is a garden rose, and so I'm going to tie that in with the color that I have in the middle here, and we're going to just add a human connection here. I'm going to make this design look beautiful all the way around so that when you turn it, you're going to enjoy it from all sides when we're done. It'll look beautiful. This one reminds me of fireworks that I love so much. Represent earth, and I'm going to use this beautiful leaf. I'm just folding it over, and I'm going to place it down here, just pin it in. kind of placing it at an angle to give it some interest. So the last part of our design, I'm going to actually put some moss to cover up the floral foam on each piece so it doesn't show. This is our final piece that we've created using the ancient Japanese Ikebana technique. It is a wonderful way to bring peace and harmony into your home, your office, and my floral studio. Thanks for joining me today again. I'm Stephanie Scellato from Scellato Designs.